Here's how to make paper shred from reused items. Let's make paper shred for a gift box out of a grocery bag. This is so easy to make using something you may already have. Cut a piece of the grocery bag and fold it in half lengthwise. Fold it in half again and again. Smooth each layer as you're folding. Keep folding until you can't fold it anymore. We want an accordion-styled fold. This is what's going to give it the crinkle texture. Any logos that are on the bag will not be visible because the pieces will be so small. Start cutting thin strips of paper off the end. Use sharp scissors because it's thick, folded grocery bag paper. Continue until you have a big pile of shred. Wait till you see what it's going to look like. Once you're done, pick it up and fluff it out. The easiest way is to rub it between your fingers. Also separate the folded pieces of paper. Look how amazing this is. It looks like something you would buy at the store. This paper shred would look amazing in a decorated cardboard gift box like this one or in a gift bag. I love the way this looks, and it was so easy. You can use any shopping bag to make this shred, or reuse paper. Do you have crumbled wrapping paper? Don't throw it away. You can easily turn it into paper shred for a gift bag or a gift box. Cut a piece of wrapping paper and fold it in half. Smooth the paper and fold it in half again. Continue folding and smoothing the paper. Don't worry about the wrinkles and the small tears because they will not be noticeable when we're done with the paper shredding. Once you're done folding, start cutting small paper strips. These are going to turn into the crinkle texture. Fluff and separate. Fill a gift bag or gift basket with this beautiful paper shred. You're never going to look at wrapping paper the same way again. You know that worn, crumpled up tissue paper you have in gift bags? You can easily turn it into beautiful shredded paper fill in less than a minute. Place 2 pieces of tissue paper together, fold them in half, and smooth it out. I like to use 2 different colors to give the tissue paper shred a high-end look. Fold the tissue paper in half again and smooth out. Continue folding and smoothing until you have a thin strip of tissue paper. The folding and smoothing is what's going to give you that beautiful textured crinkled look. The folding does not have to be perfect and uniform. This is what makes it look custom-made and handmade rather than machine-made and makes it look more beautiful. Take sharp scissors and cut thin pieces of the folded tissue paper. This is how you make the multicolored paper shred. Continue cutting all of the folded paper. Fluff and separate the layers. Fill a gift box or gift bag with the beautiful paper shred. Wasn't that easy and it cost nothing to make? Click the link for materials and how to make the gift bags and gift box. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make new videos every week with new and exciting reused items and seasonal decor. Till next time, bye!